everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are talking about Miss Mel Purseonfleek. Now it's been a while since I've actually done a video about her. Not really about her, but I guess about her luxury experience, her luxury journeys, and we are back because there is yet again more drama. Yep, I'm not kidding. There is more drama, but it's not related to Hermes, which is what her name is attached to. We are talking about Chanel drama. So I thought today I'm gonna do a little video about one of her recent videos. This looks really dark. I hope that this video doesn't come out as dark as it looks. Is that better? I don't know. So I am getting ready for work and I thought let's talk about this now. So I have a mirror here, so if you see me looking away, that's why, or maybe I'll put it here. So Mel, I do like her. I follow her. I think she does great videos. I think her content's great. I do think she gets a lot of, let's say, like bad media in a way, just because of like the things that she has gone through with Hermes. But at the end of the day, I do feel like she comes across as a really nice person. I don't know her personally. I haven't like spoken to her, reached out to her before. But yeah, genuinely, she does seem like a fairly decent person. So long story short, if you haven't like watched her channel or if you haven't heard of her before, there was an issue with her and Hermes. She was trying to get a Birkin, spending all of this money, and she just never got her dream bag. So I have another video on my channel if you want to watch that, or of course I will have her channel linked down below, where I believe the video is still up. I know she took it down, but yeah, if it is on her channel, definitely go and watch that. It's like an hour long, but yeah, you can get the full detail. She shows you like all the emails that were sent between her and her essay and all of that. So we are talking about today Chanel. So she is a big Chanel fan. She does have quite a few luxury handbags. Also, she did say in her Hermes journey that she would not be shopping the brand, I believe. However, her new video states differently, that she will be going back. So Mel recently did a unicorn bag unboxing. What a unicorn bag is referred to in, I guess, the luxury community, it's like a bag that you just feel like you're never gonna get, that basically there's only a couple and they're so hard to come by. So that's why they refer to it as like a unicorn. So she actually picked up her unicorn bag recently, which is the Chanel mini flap in a stunning, like, it's like purple and blue iridescent color. Sorry that I keep looking away. And it's from the 21K collection. Now, for me personally, I'm not a Chanel collector. I do appreciate their items, but Chanel is not something that I have on my list. I do love Louis Vuitton, I love YSL, and I'm actually really loving Valentino and kind of Prada at the moment, which is a little bit different for me. But yeah, each to their own. That's not what this video is about. So she picked up this stunning bag, purple and blue iridescent, and it has like on the little, where the logo is on the front, it's like, it's a lighter color, iridescent, but still matches well with the bag. So just remember that fun fact. So she basically unboxes this bag, it's all good, and then she goes to take some videos, some photos of it outside, sorry, and she notices there's almost like a fingernail indent mark on the bag, which she, yeah, just did not notice before. And of course, as anyone would do, she gets straight onto her sales associate to let them know that there is a problem with the bag. Now, I actually am so impressed with the customer service that she was shown. So the timing that she contacted the sales associate was perfect because they actually had another bag available. So that sales associate actually held on to that bag for about 4 days, which in this community, that is kind of unheard of, particularly Chanel. I do believe, and like Mel said, that it was the right thing to do because, you know, she was sold a faulty bag. But I guess at that instance, how does the sales associate or anyone know that Mel didn't do that herself? You know what I mean? Like, I just think that that is actually really good customer service she was shown. So she got this new bag and she shows it in the video, and the part where the logo is, right? It was light in the first one, but in this second one, like obviously because they're in this like iridescent pattern, they are not the same. None of these bags are exactly the same. So the front of it near the actual Silver Hardware CC logo is like bright, stark white. And I think it's just interesting, and I feel like in a way, yes, we've all been there. It's like she's trying to justify in the video that she likes it, when I just get the feeling that she doesn't. Me personally, I don't like the second bag as much. I feel like the white just stands out way too much, and also almost looks like an add-on, like it should not be there. But yeah, Mel just basically to me tries to convince herself that it's nice, it's okay, she likes it. And you know, my personal experience with this was, so I got a definitely different league, I understand this. I got a Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the Damier a bit. Now, when I buy luxury items, it's not that often, so I'm actually a little bit pedantic when I get something, because it's a lot of money to me, and I do feel like it should be, you know, to a high standard regardless. Like, I really think if you're paying that much, you should be 100% happy and the quality should be there. So when I got my Alma, I noticed that it was almost like wavy on the side. So I did go back to the store because I just felt like, you know, it's something that if I'm noticing now and I'm not happy with, I don't want to have this item that I don't love. So I definitely feel like she did the right thing. She also goes into the fact that how can that bag have literally been sold like that? Like, is there no quality control? And I feel like in the luxury community, this is something that's actually being spoken about a lot more lately, that it seems like the quality of products is 100% dropping, which is totally disappointing. Like, you know, people, including myself, we're spending a lot of money, and if you're not getting the quality, what's the point? Like, why would you want to have something that's a bad quality product when you can get something cheaper that's better? Like, it's sort of not making sense for me. I don't know if it's just becomes a status thing, like an ego thing, I'm not sure. But yeah, sorry, I'm going off on a tangent. So at the end of the day, yeah, she's convincing herself that she likes it when it's just coming across that she doesn't. But that's the drama. She got her new bag, so all is well, which is great. As I said, like, Mel does seem like, hang on, I'm trying to do too many things. Mel does seem like a really nice person, so this is like, these videos are not to like throw shade at her at all. It's just to discuss that, you know, if you are also buying items like luxury items like this, definitely take the time if you're buying it in person to inspect them, because yeah, the things just aren't great anymore, to be honest. That's a lot. And as I said, she does say in her video that she may be shopping at Hermes again. So I am so excited to see how that goes. I can't wait to see her new hauls, her unboxings, if there's any more drama, because I hope that she's not going on her Hermes Birkin journey again through the store, because that was just a disaster. But yeah, I think that's it for today. So definitely check out her channel, look at her videos in depth. She obviously talks about, like, it may be better than me. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.